Hello and welcome to Mina Tech, the channel where I share with you my honest opinions and reviews of the latest gadgets and smartphones. Today, I have with me the Vivo V27, a budget flagship that promises to deliver a premium experience at an affordable price. But does it live up to its hype? Let's find out. The Vivo V27 is a stunning device that catches your eye with its color-changing back panel that shifts hues depending on the lighting. It has a glass front and back, and a plastic frame that feels solid and comfortable in the hand. The phone is also very slim and lightweight, measuring only 7.4 millimeters in thickness and weighing 180 grams. The display is one of the highlights of the Vivo V27. It's a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It supports HDR10+ and has very thin bezels, giving you an immersive viewing experience. The colors are vibrant and punchy, but they can also be adjusted to your preference in the settings. The brightness is decent, but not the best under direct sunlight. The display also has an optical fingerprint scanner that works fast and reliably. The performance of the Vivo V27 is another strong point. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, which is a 4nm octa-core processor that can handle any task or game you throw at it. It's paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which are both very generous for this price range. The phone runs on Android 13 with FunTouch 13 on top, which is Vivo's custom skin that offers a lot of features and customization options, but also some bloatware and heavy animations that can slow down the phone. The battery life of the Vivo V27 is good, but not great. It has a 4600 mAh battery that can last for a full day of moderate use, but not much more. The good news is that it supports super fast charging with the included 66W charger that can fill up the battery from 0 to 100% in just about an hour. The cameras of the Vivo V27 are impressive, especially for this price segment. The rear camera setup consists of a 50MP main camera with a Sony IMX766 sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. The main camera takes sharp and detailed photos with good contrast and dynamic range in most lighting conditions. It also has optical image stabilization and can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The ultra-wide camera has a 120-degree field of view and captures decent shots with some distortion at the edges. The macro camera is not very useful, as it has low resolution and poor quality. The selfie camera is a 50MP shooter that can take stunning selfies with autofocus and HDR support. It can also record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The Vivo V27 is a great phone for anyone who wants a flagship-like experience without breaking the bank. It has a beautiful design, a gorgeous display, a powerful performance, a fast charging, and excellent cameras. It's not perfect, though, as it has some drawbacks such as mediocre battery life, mono speaker, no headphone jack, no water resistance, and some software issues. That's it for my review of the Vivo V27. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews like this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.